Hi, welcome to this market on 6th of August. Let's do a quick analysis of all the sectorial, how the sectors are working. So here we see that the banking and financials, Innocent Bank is 3% up, and AU Bank is also 2% up. So these were the two really good moves which happened, and together with that we have MFSL. Yeah, this is sort of 1% up. Other than that, most of the banking sectors are not able to give a good move, and you can see that in the lower segment we have Bandhan Bank, and together with that we have Chola Finance also. So Chola Finance was a good trade yesterday, but today again I will be tracking 520 and 515 levels going forward. Bajaj Finance is down, and LIC Housing Finance is down. So basically, I will stay away from finance companies. Also, State Bank of India is trading at 440, so this is also a good level for us to take note of and try to track if it is able to move from here. Maruti is again getting between 7200 and 7000 levels. Together with that, there is also some profit booking in M&M. You can see that this is a result based moves which are happening. TVS Moto is also below 600, so it's not very interesting for me. And together with that we have Bajaj Auto is stuck between 3840 and 3800, so there's not much. Ashok Leyland is also down towards 134, it went towards 136, and going forward we will see how it's able to maybe its moves. Scotch posted its results, and today in the morning you can see that it's in the downtrend, so we have to see if it is able to break this 1190 levels. If so, then there will be more weakness to come. And quick analysis of cement sector. So all the companies are down, so there's not much. Sri Cement as well as Ramco Cement, it seems like there's more weakness which is going to come. From FMCG sector, Havels made an all-time high, so this was a good trade. Together with that you have not much happening in FMCG counters. All the big names, ITC, and together with that Marico, Nestle and Titan, they are down. So in general, this is also from IT perspective. TCS and Infi got some buying from lower levels, and this is also true for ACL Tech. Let's see if ACL Tech is able to move past 1060, then this would be a interesting intraday trade for us to have a look into. Even Emphasis is not much moving, and so is Tech Mahindra. सो अभी तक ऐसे भी कोई भी ऐसी सेक्टर्स दिखी नहीं है जिसमें बहुत अच्छी कुछ मूव आ रही हैं. सिमिलरली यू कैन सी हिंडाल्को as well as JSW Steel went for his all-time high, and then again profit booking came. Sale is also down, so basically the structure of the market is in the downward trend. Also Tata Steel is down, so even the steel sector is not performing. Now let's look into pharma. Divi's Lab result कल, and hence you can see that there are these lower level buyings which are happening, but I will stay away from Divi's because somehow I don't like the structure. Other than that, profit booking is coming for Cadila, and Biocon is also between 380 and 388 levels, so there is not much of a trade which we can take. Glenmark, it seems like this might be more a weakness in Glenmark, and together with that there can be a weakness in Torrent Pharma. Torrent Pharma actually might be a company which I will try to track. So basically Torrent Pharma's trading strategy is simple. Try to buy near 3000 and try to sell near 3100. So yeah, strategy it has been working very well in the last past sessions. CIPLA is down, and it seems like there are more short positions which are getting, so it's actually getting in trend. So a quick look into the companies which are trending. आरती इंडस्ट्रीज आज रिजल्ट है, एंड दीपक नाइट्राइट. सो आज मैं दीपक नाइट्राइट पे ही ट्रेड कर रहा हूँ, एंड टुगेदर विद दैट यू हैव AU Bank and Havels, but Tata Consumer also gave a good move, but right now there has been some profit booking from higher levels. Let's see if it is able to go over 780. सो इसको जब मैंने ट्रैक करना स्टार्ट किया था देन इट्स एक्चुअली इट वाज अ शॉर्ट कैंडिडेट, सो आई मेड सम मनी ओवर देयर. Other than that, you have Bell, Berger Paint, and TVS Motor, not much. And Navin Florin is also trying to maintain the 3700 levels. Bharat Forge had a great fall from 800 levels. So Bharat Forge may be a very good short candidate, and together with that, you can have good shorting in LIC Housing Finance, Manappuram, Torrent Power, and JSW Steel, SAIL Tech. So अभी हम लोग जैसे नीचे आ रहे हैं, you can see that there are this big red fat candles, and on the top of that, अगर आप अभी for long perspective, if you want to say stay with GAIL and stay with TATACHEM, these are the two top counters जो अभी trend कर रही हैं. Metropolis हमने कल discuss किया था, and it also faced resistance around about 3100. Other than that, Gujarat Gas, after posting its result yesterday, together with that Escorts and CIPLA. So ये तीन companies आपको अगर कोई short positions लेनी है, so maybe this would be a very good strategy going forward. So for Nifty constituents, the top runners are BPCL and IOC based on the crude news. Together with that, IndusInd Bank and Maruti and Tata Consumer. और हम अगर बीच के सेगमेंट में आते हैं तो ऐसे कुछ नहीं देखने को हमें मिलता है. एक्सिस बैंक टुगेदर विद कोटक बैंक was able to get some support at 1760 levels. So we have to see going forward how it is able to move from here. Together with that, you have Hindustan Unilever below 2400 levels, and Tata Motors is very near 300 levels. So Tata Motors going forward, कल हमने 306 में जब वो आई थी तब हमने बुक किया था from 285 levels, so that was a good trade. We will see if it is able to maintain this level. So ICICI Bank is down, together with that Asian Paint is down, and this is also a very good short trade in Asian Paint. So इसकी strategy हम बहुत बार पहले भी discuss कर चुके हैं. Even Britannia, it went from 3620, it had a fall towards 3600 and is trying to get some support from 3600. So Britannia may be a good reversal candidate from here. Other than that, you have CIPLA, that's actually majorly trending in the negative side, and maybe going forward there will be more shorts which will get created with weakness in Nifty. Together with that, you also have weakness in companies like Tata Steel as well as so Tata Steel हमें 1430 और 1460 के बीच में है. We will try to look into it, and together with that Nestle India is also weak. So in general ITC is also weak. So in general there's not much you can do from a sectorial perspective. So you can see FMCG, Pharma, IT is sort of in a much better shape compared to others, and steel is also down. Cement is definitely not one of the sectors वहाँ पे shorts बन रही हैं. So as a result of which you have to be in specific companies. So try to stay with GAIL, try to stay with Tata Chem, and that's all folks. Tata Consumer also maybe a good company going forward. Of course we have Tata Power, uska trade हमारा already ongoing है, and we will be seeing if it is able to take out this the resistance it has, and it has at 136 levels. If that is broken, then theoretically we should be very well. So right now Tata Power is around about 135.3. So उसको 135 में एक strong put writing हो रही है. So let's see if it is able to hold that levels. So going forward, this is how the market is poised. Hope this video is going to help you, and as and when कोई नई companies आएगी, definitely I will keep you updated. Thanks a lot for listening. Bye bye.